Good morning, class 3. Class 3, we have completed 3 chapters and you have done the exercise of the third chapter also. Today, we will start a new chapter, chapter number 4, word processor and introduction. We will study about word processor in this and the word processor that is available in Windows 7. We will study about that as well. So, let's start the chapter, children. Introduction. Like other young school going children, you too might be thinking of writing words and sentences in colorful designs and patterns. This can be easily done by using a computer. You must have written text on computer by using keyboard and mouse. You might have used written text on computer using WordPad. In this chapter, you shall be taught how to type using a software called MS Office Word. So, uh, it is the introduction is that like if you see this page, you will see various colors being used here, pictures being used. At times we feel like writing in this manner because when we start writing, children, it is in usually in a single colored, like you are writing using pencil, so it is plain text on a plain paper. But we like decorative things, so to make the written text decorative, we need to use some software, some application on the computer, so that our text look very presentable and very attractive also. So, those who have computers with them, or even in your school lab, in your computer lab, you must have written text on computer by using keyboard and mouse for writing text. Because when we sit on the system and when small children like you sit, they tend to feel like writing something or doing something there. Okay, just like when you have your mother's or father's phone with you, you feel like writing something. So you must have done this, and you might have used written text on computer using WordPad. Maybe you must have used WordPad also, because WordPad is a accessory. It is available in accessories. Not many functions are there, but still we can use it for our written text. Now in this chapter we will learn about MS Office Word. Okay, in the package of MS Office, an application is available by the name of Word, MS Office Word, where you can write down your text, whatever that you want to write, and you can do many things with that text. Okay, many things, like you can change the color of the font, you can increase, decrease, change the look of it, etc. So we will study about MS Word. But before moving to MS Office Word, let's see, because it is called word processor, so we need to understand what is the meaning of word processor. The application software that helps you to type your text on a computer is known as a word processor. You have studied about application software, and if you remember, application software are meant for some specific purpose. There is some specific task that they can be used to accomplish. Okay, so the application software that helps you to type your text, the software where you can type your text on the computer, it is known as word processor. Word processor is like, let's say children, your mother must be using food processor at home. Okay, you must have heard this word, food processor. So it is almost like, word processor is almost like food processor. What do we do with the food processor? While preparing food, we need to do many things with the ingredients, the things that we use while cooking food. We need to chop them, we need to blend them, we need to uh, do many things with them. So food processor is used for all this purpose. Same way, when because you cannot eat raw food, that is why you need food processor. Same way, just for everything we cannot have just plain text like you are writing in your copies. or your parents must be using pen and writing them in some register or notepad or something. So we cannot always use plain text. Like if this book is given, only the plain text is written in this book, you will not find it interesting to read. So you can see that the heading is in different form and shape, then there are pictures there, then this is in a box, here the background is different and the chapter is different, headings are in different color, important things are in different colors. So because of this variation, we find it interesting to read any book, or even in the newspaper if you see many different, in many different ways the text is presented. So for all this we need word processor, because it is doing the processing with the word. The process of using a word processor to type a message or text is called word processing. Whenever we type message or text, it is called word processing, because we are giving simple plain text to computer, and then according to our instructions or commands, it is changing the look of that text. We are aware of many word processing software. Example, MS Word. If you are not aware, then these are the names of various word processing software. We will be studying about MS Word. It doesn't mean that not many other softwares are available. Just like if you have a specific car at home, it doesn't mean that there are no other cars in the market or with other people. Same way, there are various word processors and people can use them as per their choice. So the various word processor are MS Word, WordPad, WordStar, Word Perfect, MS OneNote, PageMaker, etc. We shall learn about MS Word 2007 in the chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about this word processor. Okay, children?